In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in HubSpot. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and you're on the main home dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you'll set up. Take a moment to confirm you have the right permissions to create forms. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need access from an account admin. From the top navigation, move your cursor over the marketing menu. A drop-down will appear and you'll click Forms. This opens the Forms tool where you can view existing forms and create new ones. If you're working in multiple hubs or portals, double-check that you're in the correct workspace to keep things organized. Once you're in the Forms tool, look for the Create Form button, typically at the top right. Click it. This brings you to the form creation flow where you can start from a template or build out a structure quickly without starting from scratch. Now, choose a template that best fits your goal. You'll see common options like a simple contact form, a newsletter sign-up, or an event registration style. Pick the layout that's closest to what you need. You can change fields and labels afterward, so don't worry about getting it perfect at this stage. After selecting the template, you'll land in the editor. Here, customize the form to match your topic and intent. Use the Fields panel to add essentials like first name, last name, and email, and remove anything you don't need to keep the form short and conversion-friendly. Drag and drop to reorder fields, click any field to edit its label, placeholder text, and whether it's required. For better data quality, keep at least the email field required and add clear help text where necessary. If you collect consent, include a checkbox and a brief statement in line with your compliance needs. You can also tailor the submit button text to match your call to action and set what happens after submission, show a concise thank you message, or prepare a redirect if that's part of your page flow later. While you're here, review styling options available in your theme and consider enabling spam protection if offered. Use the preview to check how everything looks on desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, click Save. Saving locks in your changes so you can return later to embed or publish according to your workflow. That's it. Your form is created and ready for the next step in your marketing process.